today in this video, we are going to get started with Python language, that is a part of your computer science curriculum class 11th and 12th. So let's understand what is Python. If I talk about Python, it is a free and open source object oriented high level programming language that was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. It is a language that is used for software development, web development, system scripting, and also in some mathematical applications also we used the Python language. Now let us see what are the different features. क्या क्या features होते हैं Python language के. First of all, it is very easy to use क्योंकि इसका syntax बहुत easy होता है. Its syntax is very simple. There are no hard and fast rules that you need to remember. So because of that, it is very easy to use language. Secondly, it is an interpreted language. Because it is an interpreted language, so the code is executed line by line. Interpreted language means कि ये language interpreter use करती है. That means it execute the code line by line. So finding an error, it's very easy. Next we have, it is a cross-platform language. Cross-platform language means it can run on any platform like Linux, Unix, Windows. Even on the mobile you can run the Python programs. Next point we have is it is an expressive language. Why do we call it expressive language? Because it has less code and itself it expresses the purpose of the code. जैसे अगर मुझे कोई line print करनी है, so simply I write print and then whatever I want to print. So it is expressive, so it is easy to understand also. Then completeness, why? Because it has ample number of libraries which it support. When we download Python, by default we get all the libraries, so that is one of the very good advantage. And last but not the least, it is free and open source, so it can be freely downloaded and even the source code can be modified for the improvement, right, like any other open source software. Now these are the features and advantages of using Python. Now as we know, every language has its pros and cons. So let us understand the shortcomings of Python. Now in shortcomings, the first and most important is that it has lesser number of libraries, because as we compare to C++ and Java जिसमें बहुत सारे libraries हमें मिल जाते हैं, in compare to that languages it is having less number of libraries. Next is it is a slow language. Slow language क्यों होती है? क्योंकि interpreter होता है, line by line execute करता है, so that is why it is a slow language. And also it is weak on type binding, because we cannot pinpoint a single variable use of different data type. मीन्स कि अगर मैंने एक वेरिएबल लिया है तो मैं उसमें फ्लोट वैल्यू भी डाल सकती हूँ, उसमें मैं इंटीजर भी डाल सकती हूँ, कोई भी डाल सकती हूँ. सो देयर इज नो हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल. So that is why we say that it is weak on type binding. Now let us see how we can install Python. Two steps only. आपको सबसे पहले डाउनलोड करना है Python and then we have to install it. So Python you can download from www.python.org/download. So अभी 3.8.3 version latest आ रहा है. So when you will download, you can download the latest version only. So go to this website python.org and then you click on the download button. Next, after clicking downloading, then you have to double click on the icon which is there in your system where you have downloaded the file, and then you click on the run. जब आप रन पे क्लिक करोगे, एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है that you have to tick on this one, add Python 3.6 to part, otherwise later on it will be very difficult for you to install the libraries. So ये आपको याद रखना है कि add Python 3.6 to path, this you have to do, and then you have to click on install now. Customize पे click नहीं करना, tick these both things and then click on install now. After clicking, you will see a screen like this, and you have to click the yes option, right, to install the Python in your. Then you will see the setup in progress. After the progress of the setup is complete, you will see of setup was successful. That means the Python is now downloaded in your, installed in your system. Now after installing, we will see how the Python program runs. Means on कौन से mode में हम इसको run कर सकते हैं. So there are two modes in which you can run the Python program. One is in interactive mode and another one is the script mode. Now what is the difference between interactive and script mode? So for interactive mode, you will simply search python.exe file in the drive, it is installed, and double click. तो आप एक black color का screen आपको दिखेगा, that is called the interactive mode. Now in interactive mode, what is it? Whatever command you are writing, that command will be simply executed, but you cannot save the files in the interactive mode. You can just run the code, but if you want to save your files and do a proper, then you have to click on the script mode, right? So for that we have to click on the start button and then python IDLE you have to select. Python IDLE का screen ऐसे आएगा white color का. After you will click on the file menu and then you can click on a new file, right? So file menu and then new file, and now white color screen where you can run the code. Now to run the code, you will go to the run option and then you will click on the run module, and this way you can run the Python program in your system. Now I will tell you practically also. After this video, I will upload one more video where I will tell you how to run the Python program in the script mode. So for we have discussed. Thank you so much for watching, and keep tuned and keep on the subscribe, click on the subscribe button so that you can get the regular updates. And in the next video I will show you how to run the programs in interactive as well as the script mode. Thank you so much.